Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandur. Today we are discussing our 10th class, 4th chapter. What is that? Pair of linear equation in two variable. Before starting our chapter, first we have to know about what is the meaning of this our chapter. Okay, what is that pair? What is meant by pair, ma'am? Pair means in the sense it having the two. What is two? We are discussing about two linear equation. Okay, two linear in this chapter we are going to discuss about the linear equation which are two. Okay, two linear equation we have to discuss. Pair means two, na? What is meant by pair? Two. What about the linear equation? Linear equation, first we have to know about linear equation. What is the definition of linear equation? What are the examples of linear equation? First we have to know about that. Let's see. Here the definition of linear equation, ma. What is that? In equation, the power and degree, okay, power or degree of the variable is 1, okay. In this equation, what is equation, ma? When the LHS is equals to RHS, okay. Then when LHS is equals to RHS, then the equation is called, then the expression is called equation. If you not have any equal symbol, means that it is an algebraic expression, okay. Up to that, here to from here to here, ax plus b is a expression. When we write the equals to 0, means that it is called the equation. But the general form of linear equation is ax plus b. Here ax plus b is a general form of linear equation. Here can you see this? Here ax, b are three not a variables, okay. Ax and b, it is not a variable, just x is a variable and ab is a constant number, means any real number now. Okay, here AB are constants where x is a variable. To understand this expression, we are taking one example to understand the linear equation. Let's see. This is the example of linear equation. Okay, it's 2x plus 4. Okay, 2x plus 4 is equals to 0, means that it is a linear equation because it is the power of variable. Okay, here x is a variable, means x is a variable, the power of this variable, the degree of this variable will be 1, okay. Here I am saying the a and b are constant number. Here 2 and 4. What is constant number, ma? Constant number means that any real numbers, okay, any real numbers. Okay, this is the example of linear equation. What is our chapter name? Linear equation in two variables. The pair of linear equation in two variables. What is variables? Variables in this chapter, this is the example we can say. Another name of this expression will be call it as linear equation in one variable because we are using only one variable. Okay, can you see this example? In this example we have two numbers, two constant number, but the variable is 1. But our chapter name is linear equation in two variable. What is that? What is the general form of linear equation in two variable? Let's see. First we have to know about the definition, then we are taking a general form. Afterwards we are discussing about the examples, okay. Here the linear equation in two variable, an equation is the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, means that a, b, c are the constant number, means any numbers is there, but the variables is x, y and y are the variables. What is variable? The variable is nothing but the value will be changed while we are solving the problems, okay. Here I am taking the example of linear equation in two variable. Here 3, 4 and 5. These are constant. What is constant, ma? Constant is nothing but any real numbers, okay. From 1 to infinity, or less negative numbers also will come here. What is that? 3x plus 4y is equals to 5, means that 3, 4 and 5. These are numbers, whereas x and y are variables, okay. X and y are variables where a, b, c are real numbers or constants. X, y is variable. This is the example of linear equation two variable. What we are discussing? I am discussing the linear equation. If the linear equation is there, the power only linear equation, it is a general form, okay. Linear equation in two variable means that it is a general form. Only linear equation ax plus b, linear equation in two variable means that ax plus by plus c, okay. In alphabetical order we are going, means that ax plus by plus c, z is not there because our question is linear equation in two variable, not linear equation in three variable, means that the last number will be without variable, means it is constant number. It is a general form of linear equation in two variables, okay. What is our question? Pair ma. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the pair of linear equation. Means two equation we have to take with two variables. Here the pair of linear equation in the same two variables form a pair of linear equation. The system of the pair of equation is general is, here I am taking the variables is same. The same two variables means that x and y is same, but the a, b and c constant number will be the change. Okay, a1 x, because a is there now, that's why I am taking the, because we are discussing about two equation, means that the number we have to take first equation, the constant number I am taking. What is constant? A, b, c. Okay, here also the a, b, c are the constant number, but I am taking the variable is same, but the constant number will be the not same. Okay, the two variables, okay, the same two variable means that x, y is same, but the constant number is not same. That's why I am taking the a1, b1, c1. In the second equation I am taking the a2, b2, c2. To understand this general form, I am taking an example that 3x plus 4y is equals to 5. Okay, means that in place of a we have 3, in place of b we have 4, in place of c we have 5. Okay, plus 5 go to that side, it become a minus 5, means that in place of 5 we have minus 5. Okay, I hope you understand the general form with this example. What is the second example? I am taking the, here a1 is 3, b1 is 4 and c1 is minus 5, because plus is there now, go to that side, it become a minus 5. Okay, let's see the next example, next general form. What is that? a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. It is a general form of second equation, because we have to take these two equation. Now that's why I am taking a 1, 2, 3. By comparing these two equation, okay, second equations, what is that? In place of a2 we have 6. Okay, in place of b2 we have 7, in place of c2 we have 8, in place of c2 we have minus 8 now, because plus 8 go to that side, go to LHS side, it become a minus 8, means that in place of c2 we have 8. Okay, here a1, b1, c1, okay, and a2, b2, c2 are the real numbers, are constant, but the variables is x1, y, xn, xy, xy are the variables. The variables is not different, but the constant number will be the different. With the help of example we can understand better. Okay, let's see the next. The linear equation and two variable always form a straight line. Okay, if you take this line, if we are solving this equation by taking the x is equals to 1, x is equals to 2, x is equals to 3, we get what? Y values now. When we solve any linear equation, let's see with the example. To understand this equation, this expression, what is the linear equation? Two variable always form a straight line in a graph. Okay, with this example, with this question we are taking we are understanding that this line, what is that? Always linear equation in two variable form a straight line. Let's see the example. In place of x we are substituting some values, we get the y value. Okay, with the help of these two value we are locate the graph, and afterwards we can see the line will be straight or not. Okay, let's see. Okay ma, I am giving here one question. What is the 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equals to 0? In place of x I am taking the minus 1 and minus 5. Okay, I am substituting the x value in given equation. This expression we get the y values. Okay, x is equals to minus 1, in place of x we have to substitute minus 1. What is that? 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equals to 0. 3. Okay, in place of x what we have to substitute? We have to substitute minus 1 plus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, 3 here nothing is there, means it have the plus. Okay, plus into minus is minus, 3 ones are 3, plus 4y minus 5 is equals to 0. Remaining part will be the as it is. Okay, here the minus into minus. Okay, how many constant number is there? 3 and 5 now, means that minus into minus is plus, 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, but we have to write which one? We have to write the number, the sign which are present in front of greater number, means that we have to write minus 8 plus 4y is equals to 0. 4y plus 8 is goes to that side. Okay, goes to RHS side, it become a minus 8. Okay, either 4 is multiply here, it goes to that side, means it divides the RHS. Okay, what we get? Y is equals to 8 by 4. Y is equals to 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Y is equals to 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. What we get? Y is equals to 2. When we substitute minus 1, we get the y value as 2. Means that what is our pair of point? What is our coordinate? X comma y is equals to minus 1 comma 2. Okay, this point here, what we get? Y value, okay, 2. We get the 1 point. To locate the point, to draw the line means that we have to write 2 ends now. Okay, we want 2 points, means that 1 point is get 1 minus 1 comma 2, means that what we want? We want another point. Now I am taking minus 5. Okay, I am taking a minus 5, x is equals to minus 5. Okay, what is our question? 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equals to 0. In place of x, what we have to substitute now? We have to substitute minus 5. In place of x, I am substituting the minus 5. Plus into minus, minus 3 5s are 15 plus 4y minus 5 is equals to 0. The remaining part will be the as it is. Here the constant numbers is 2. Minus into minus is plus, 15 plus 5 is 20, plus 4y is equals to 0. Plus 20, minus 20 go to that side, minus 20 go to that side, it become a plus 20. Here the 4 multiply here, you go to that side, it become a divide. Okay, it divides the RHS. What is our RHS? RHS is 20, means 4 is divides the 20. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Y is equals to 5, means what we get? When you substitute minus 5, we get the value as plus 5. What is the point? X comma y is minus 5 comma 5. I am writing here. Now we are going to locate this point in a graph. Let's see. I roughly draw the graph here to locate these 2 points. What is that? Minus 1 comma 2 and 5 comma minus 5 comma 5. Okay. Here, what is that point? First point is minus 1 comma 2. Means that first we have to locate minus 1 on the x-axis, minus 1 comma 2. And what is our second point? Minus 5 comma 5. Okay, means that x-axis minus 5 and y-axis plus 5, means that here we get the point. When we join 2 points, we get a straight line. Can you see this? When I am joining 2 points, we get a straight line. Means that what we conclude? Means that any equation, any linear equation in 2 variables always form a straight line. This is the point we are discussing today. Okay. Today we are discussing somewhat introduction of this chapter. Whatever discussing today, you have to write in your notes and submit in the group. Okay, today's class is completed. I hope you understand the concept of this chapter, and you have to practice it and write it and submit in the group. Okay, thank you.